Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily turn off the caller ID on iPhone. So let's jump right into it. In this video we'll see two methods. The first one, all you need to do is to open settings and then from here scroll down until you find phone. Once you find it right here, tap on it and then here tap on show my caller ID. Wait for a second right here. And then from here, make sure to turn off this toggle. That will turn off your caller ID and people will not know your number or name once you call them. Or you can go to your dialer directly and type in a code. If you're in USA or Canada, type *67 and then type the number and make the call. If you are from the UK or Ireland, all you need to do is to type the 141 before the number that you want to call and go ahead and make the call. If you're from anywhere else in the world, tap on this symbol right here, 31, and then tap on it again and make the call. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.